Sofia Isabel. Asamanagi Priya. Borza Amara Isabel. Loyloy Kylie. Samot na gyud mo pakpak o kusog. Manunas Freya Natalia. Ipaso sa inyong classmate, hindi pakpakan. Basta inyong friend. Montibon Rihanna Flor. Uy, pakpak. Morales Aika Claudette. Pakpak kusog. Onde Bethany. Sumampong Alia Sofia. Sige, ang tawag ni ma'am, mubalaog dihahan niya, musaka sa stage. Lahos lang, paminawa sa inyong award. And now is the awarding of the certificates and medals and ribbons to the performance awardees and character trait awardees. These are the performance awardees of Kindergarten Onyx. Ining awards, tawgon mo ani in alphabetical order. Sunuron ang inyong apelido. For being a neat kid and batang manunulat. And a character trait award is also awarded to her for having a golden heart, busy bee, eager beaver, and a courteous kid. Papa. Sunod, Abelgas Clay Martin. What is si Clay? Sunod ni Abelgas, Arante Cathea Marie E. Barang sa Dias kuma. Mata imuhang mama. What sa dito? Kunga. Barang dia, barang. Nai mama. Si mama. Buata sa dito lagi yung mama. Tia, mama. Dia. Dito. Katia Marie for being a good communicator. A ribbon for being a character trait awardee is also awarded to her for being a collaborative kid, an eager beaver, and batang maaasahan. Clap your hands. Yes. Sunod, Arizo Arkisha Lovell P for being a star reader. Wala. Sunod, Casio Sebastian S. Asa man agi dito nga. For being a star reader. A ribbon for being a character trait awardee is also awarded to him for being a collaborative kid and a determined kid. Katamisan Shane Athena for being a star reader and having an artistic hands. A ribbon for being a character trait awardee is also awarded to her for being a happy helper, a collaborative kid, and a courteous kid. Dongalio Adriel Grace R for being a star reader, a collaborative kid, and out of your shell award, and a courteous kid. Ituli Janice D for being a star reader, a neat kid, and a good communicator. Also awarded to him, a collaborative kid, an eager beaver, and batang maaasahan. Gloria Kio Miguel for being a star reader, a courteous kid, a busy bee, and an eager beaver. Molihon Vance Jacel for being a sporty kid, a disciplinado kid, and having a golden heart. Manunas Freya Natalia, nagtabi-tabi, wala na yung award nun. An eager beaver and a courteous kid. Onde Bethany R for for being a star reader, a good communicator, and a young singer. And also a kinder leader, a collaborative kid, batang maasahan, and courteous kid. Manay nagpakpa. May iba nang ginyung award kaya manay pakpa. Sumampong Aliyah Sofia for being a star reader, a good communicator. A ribbon for being a character trait awardee for being a collaborative kid, an eager beaver, and a courteous kid. Okay, let us move on to the character trait awardees of the kindergarten Onyx. Abendan Atela T. Akpa. Happy helper and honest kid. Berot Z. Zairi. Adto sa lagi sa tunga ko. Wato di mo si Ma'am Papa diha. Yan, lakaw dahil dire. A good sport and batang masigasi. Papa. Buter Mary Therese, absent. Cabrera Justin Kiara, Busy B, an honest kid and a courteous kid. Colinaris Giselle May, happy helper and batang masigasi. Clap your hands, uy. Von Isaak, arito nga, diri agi Von. For being a determined and an honest kid. Española Eloisa, batang masigasi. Istay J. For being a collaborative kid, good sport, and out of your shell. Istay Tristan Miguel. Ariagi. Good sport and batang masigasi. Alexa Faye. Gulani Alexa